Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. This video will be about the new piglets. Today is Sunday morning and Hulda here just had her piglets in the night. Last night she was nesting. She built this really good nest with sticks and grass and small trees. And I will put a clip of that here so you can see how that goes. So that was last night at around feeding time, and then we have to just leave her because when they are nesting like that it is just hours away, but we couldn't sit here and wait for hours because it's kind of better to just leave them to it. And this morning when I came down, she has 5 little piglets in there. I will make more videos. I will take more clips so you can see them better. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 6 I can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little piggies she has. Are you done, Hulda? Are you gonna have any more? I can't really get in to see if she has managed to get all the stuff out. Like the placenta and stuff, because she needs to push that out as well. So after all the piglets she needs to get the placenta out, and then she will eat that, and soon she will start to move about. But this is Hulda and her 6 little piggies. Right, so that was Hulda, the one who is just giving birth. I actually think she might not be done. I went to the back of the hut and checked through the gaps in the wall there, and it looks like she might not be completely done. So I'm gonna have to go check on her again in a couple of hours. But I will bring you over to check on Hedda. She decided to make her nest out in the pasture, and I went over there just a little while ago to give her some food and water, and she's moving about and the piglets are moving about. They're following her around, so I'm gonna show you that. Let's see, she decided to nest over there. You can see her there. So under that tree there she decided to nest. So we'll go and check on her to see how she's doing. I just brought her food a little while ago and some water, so she might be eating and drinking. Hey Hedda! Hey girl! Hey vännen! And I took a little clip with my phone just before, so I'm gonna put that in after this, when she was moving about over there and her piglets were moving about. Now she's digging, trying to find stuff to eat. I brought her, she has food and water over here, and we have the little piggies over there. Well, let's see. There's one little brave one there moving about, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we still have 10. Still have 10 little piggies. And this one is a brave little one. You should go and rest with the others. You little ones. Let's go over there. And the cluster of piggies. And the big proud mama. The big proud mama. Yes, you're doing so good, Hedda. You're being a really good mama.